Hey friends, if you wish to use ChatGPT for free without login, then please watch this video. So search for Chrome and then go to Google Chrome or any browser for that matter. Now here's what I do. I can open ChatGPT here directly, but it will keep on prompting to log into my Google account if I'm logged into it. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select incognito. Then search for ChatGPT in the incognito browser and then go to ChatGPT website. Okay, now don't log in and don't accept cookies or anything. Even if you do, it won't matter because you're in the in private mode. And then search for anything. Okay, see, I can use ChatGPT without logging in, but there are restrictions. I will not be able to use it beyond a certain point, and then I cannot generate images or videos and all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.